The NDA has announced veteran leader CP Radhakrishnan as its vice presidential candidate ahead of the India Bloc meeting to strategize for the VP polls today. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has spoken with the Congress seeking support for Radhakrishnan. Rajnath Singh is also set to speak to other opposition parties, and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju will be Radhakrishnan's election agent. Now, Radhakrishnan is currently the Maharashtra governor but has held several key positions in his political journey. He has served as the Tamil Nadu BJP chief in the past. He has also been associated with the RSS and Jan Sangh and comes from the OBC community. The announcement comes just months ahead of the Tamil Nadu elections. Radhakrishnan is a BJP veteran from Tamil Nadu and has played a key role in building the party's presence in the state. Prime Minister Modi has hailed Radhakrishnan's nomination, backing his dedication, humility and also intellect. Prime Minister Modi also lauded his community service and grassroots work over the years. Meanwhile, Congress MP Manikam Tagore has slammed the NDA's vice president pick, saying that the alliance has chosen an RSS man for the post.
தமிழ்நாட்டிலிருந்து சிபி ராதாகிருஷ்ணனை துணை வேட்பாளர் ஜனாதிபதி துணை வேட்பாளராக அறிவித்திருக்கிறார்கள். அதில் வெற்றி பெற்று வர கணேசன் அல்புரியணும், அவனாசிப்பா வெற்றியாகணும். மோடி அவர்களுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி சொல்லணும். அவர் ஜனதா கட்சியில் பாடுபட்டிருக்கு.
संसदीय बोर्ड की बैठक में जिसका नेतृत्व हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की उपस्थिति में हुआ, उनके नेतृत्व में ये बैठक हुई. सभी पहलुओं पर चर्चा हुई और नामों पर विस्तृत रूप से जो पार्टी में एक्सरसाइज हुई थी, उन सारे एक्सरसाइज के बारे में डेलिब्रेशन हुआ. सभी के साथ चर्चा हुई, सुझाव मांगे गए और उसके बाद फिर ये तय हुआ कि हमारे उपराष्ट्रपति के प्रत्याशी के रूप में हमारे महाराष्ट्र के राज्यपाल श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन जी, चंद्रपुरम पुन्नासामी राधाकृष्णन जी, उनको हम एनडीए का प्रत्याशी बनाएंगे और वो एनडीए के प्रत्याशी के रूप में रहेंगे.
The decision will be taken by my leader, but I said we are happy that someone from Tamil Nadu has a real possibility of becoming the vice president. But the question here is also that Draupadi Murmu also made the prime minister, the first tribal president. Yeah, first tribal president. But the point is, they are all given ceremonial roles, but not roles such as prime minister or union minister. That has been our demand. My party has also been constantly saying the president was not even invited for the inauguration of the new